Hi, this is Matthew Cratter from Trader University, and in this video I'm going to teach you my favorite strategy for day trading stocks. If you're interested in day trading, swing trading, momentum stocks, anything like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button because I'm going to be putting out a lot more videos that cover this strategy. So the basic strategy is this. You go to the CNBC earnings calendar. I'm going to stick a link in the description notes below. You look for companies that have just reported earnings in the afternoon or early evening after the market has closed. So for example, August 5th, SHAK reported earnings. They had a blowout earnings. And you look to see, is the stock trading up in the extended hours? Shares of the company rose in extended trading. Now, we don't trade it in the evening. We wait for the next day for the stock to open. And we open up a 15-minute bar chart or candlestick chart, which is what I have here. And you can see that on this day, so basically SHAK reported earnings after the market closed here. The next morning it gaps up. So what we want to do is we want to wait for that first 15-minute bar to form. And then what we're going to do, if there's a gap like this, if there's been good earnings, is we're going to place a buy order right at the price of this first bar, right where this first bar closed, at 6:45 Pacific Standard Time, 9:45 Eastern Standard Time, exactly when the 15 minutes into the trading day. We're going to place a buy order there, and then we're going to use the bottom of this candlestick as our stop loss level. So if it trades during the day, if it trades below this stop loss level, we're going to exit. And then the basic strategy is you just hold on for the rest of the day and you exit at the market close, a couple minutes before the market closes on the same day. So you don't need to hold it overnight. And what we're benefiting from here is big institutional traders, especially traders who've been short the stock, they need to buy the stock to cover. And so as a result, you'll often see this intraday momentum. And if it fails, then all you do is you'll be stopped out. But the nice thing is if it succeeds, you make much more money. The reward is much higher than the risk. You can see the risk was just a few points here. On this particular trade, I entered at 77.17, and then I exited at the end of the day at 86.72. So I captured about 9.5 points. So even on just 100 shares, that's call it $950, which is very nice, nice earnings for one day of trading. This is a great way of trading because you're basically trading with the trend and you're kind of riding the wave that's formed by other institutional traders. Now, if you've listened this far, you may be interested in some of my courses where I talk about cool trading strategies like this. Learn to trade options like a pro, swing trading with options, learn to trade stocks like a pro. In all these courses, I cover very practical trading strategies, just like this one you've learned today that you can use. Now, I provide access to all of my courses for just a small monthly fee. And this will give you access to all of these courses, including a course on bear market trading, price action trading, fixed income, trading futures, etc. If this sounds like something that interests you, if you enjoy my style of teaching, click the link in the description notes below. It will take you to this page where you can browse the courses, you can click on these boxes and look at the curriculum. And if you think it's something you're interested in, you could sign up for just 1 month. There is no long-term contracts. Normally, tuition for 30 days or 1 month is just $125. And again, you can cancel at any time. You can just watch all the courses in 1 month and cancel. But I want to give you a better deal than that because you've watched this far. I can tell that you're a serious student. And so if you just go to the link in the description notes below and click right here where it says have a coupon code. I want you to enter YouTube 2019. Click update, and that'll give you access to all of my courses, including being able to follow along with my crypto and Bitcoin trades for just $99 a month. And again, you can watch all the courses, cancel before the 30 days is up, and you'll never be charged again. But if you're into real trading strategies that work, day trading, swing trading, momentum stocks, check out the courses, and I think you'll find something that you can learn from. I have an extensive background working for multiple hedge funds over the years, and I'm now a private trader who trades his own account for a living. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done already, if you want to follow along with more of my YouTube videos. Thanks a lot for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.